manufacturing process of making 2 step of 20 ton per day flake ice machines. This is the video to show the number 1 step, assembling the compressor. Bitzer screw compressor, 100 horsepower for each 20 ton per day flake ice machine. This is the number 2 step, assembling the evaporator. We are putting the evaporator on the steel frame. Then we will collect all the pipe, and basically the flake ice system will be complete. Now all the pipes for these 2 step of 20 ton per day flake ice machines are already collected well. My workers have already done the gas leaking test for all the pipes. They have vacuumed the system. Then they will charge the refrigerant into the system. Tomorrow we're going to run the machine, and I was going to make a video to show the working performance of these 2 step of 20 ton per day flake ice machines. Now we are testing the other step of a 20 ton per day flake ice machine. I will bring the camera and let's get close to the ice outlet so we can check the ice quality clearly. Ice is well frozen. It's very thick. It's good quality ice flakes with perfect cooling performance. Very nice. Very nice.